Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Patil. Here we are going to discuss about the definitions of pharmacovigilance, then to disaster and origin of pharmacovigilance in India. Let's start. What is meant by the pharmacovigilance? The definitions of pharmacovigilance according to WHO in 2002, the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug or drug related problem called as the pharmacovigilance. In pharmacovigilance, it includes detection, assessment, understanding and prevention. We are discuss one by one. The first is the detection. The detection means to find out. The ADR can be detected during clinical trials by investigator. It can be also detected during post-marketing surveillance or study by SCP, such as pharmacists, physician, nurses, etc. Patient itself also reported the ADR during the marketing surveillance. Next is the assessment. The assessment means to check out. If ADR is detected, the SCP to check whether it is occurs because of drug or any other reason. It includes the assessment. Next is the understanding. The understanding means to understand. If ADR is occurs due to the drug, a person in pharmacovigilance study and understanding which part of a drug is responsible for ADR. It includes the solvent, excipient, binder, etc. And the ADR may also occur due to the drug-drug interaction and drug-food interaction. Fourth step is prevention. The prevention means to take precautionary measure. Pharmaceutical company should proactively report ADR to FDA. So, to take a precautionary measure that this type of ADR should not occur in any patient in the future. This is term called as the prevention. Okay, after that we are going to discuss about the origin of pharmacovigilance. The idea of a pharmacovigilance took mainly after the two disasters. The first is the sulfonamide and the second is the thalidomide. The first is the sulfonamide. In sulfonamide occurs in 1937. So, in that year, sulfonilamide is also called as the proton seal, used since 1942 for a treatment of a streptococcal infection, was launched as a syrup. This syrup containing diethylene glycol as a solvent. This diethylene glycol is a poisonous substance, and this poison substance is responsible for many deaths. It was responsible for a death of 105 individuals, that is 34 children and 21 adults. This strategy caused the American Congress to approval in 1938. The act name is the Food, Drug and Cosmetics Act, under which pharmaceutical product manufacturer would have to show scientific experience of a safety of a drug before the releasing them for sales. The cosmetics or Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act, that is FDS Act, in 1938 in the USA. The Act following condition. The first is a proof of adequate safety test prior to the marketing. Second is the label of mention proper direction of use and not have a modeling information. Second triage is the thalidomide triage. The thalidomide disaster is the milestone disaster. Thalidomide was introduced in 1957 and widely prescribed is an allergic, harmless treatment for morning sickness of nausea. It was tested in approximately 300 patients without toxicity, and which is the responsible for it was soon linked to congenital abnormality, that is a phacomelia. Phacomelia means abnormality of limb and arm. There are two disasters. After the thalidomide disaster, this leads to the formation of two acts. The Caffer-Harry amended in 1962 with the help of Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetics Act. So then we are going to discuss about the origin of pharmacovigilance in India, or history of pharmacovigilance in India. Pharmacovigilance in India originated in 1966 with the set of Fosmal ADR monitoring system that culture of regional centers. Then in 1997, India joined the WHO ADR, that is Adverse Drug Monitoring Program, based in Uppsala Monitoring Center, called as the Sweden. Third is the National PV Program was launched by CDSCO, that is Central Drug Standard Control Organization, in November 2004. But due to the some technical issue in 2004, PV 2004 is banned. After that, which become start from January 2005 due to the technical issue. PV started again of pharmacovigilance program, that is PVPI of India, in 14 July 2010, and PV comes into existence. So this is all about the origin of pharmacovigilance in India. Thank you so much.